Hi there, this is Eugenia and I wanted to share with you what to do if you have problems with your sinuses. Yesterday I was teaching piano to children and their mom confided that she used Afrin the day before. She said she was so stuffed and she couldn't breathe. She used it and she felt better, but the next day she felt so much worse. She was sorry she used it, and I reminded her that she had peppermint she could have used, but I guess she didn't think about it. What we use is this beautiful oil. It's a blend. It's called Breathe Again. It's a roll-on. So it's very easy to use, and all you have to do is put it where it hurts or where the sinuses are, and very gently and very little, because you are close to the eyes, so you don't really want oils in the eyes because your skin can just get the oil from one place to another. Pardon my English, but basically all you have to do is just draw here, here, here. Do it over here, and a little bit under your nose so you can smell it. Now, if that bothers you, you could put the olive oil over it or V6, so you don't have a problem. It works immediately because it does just the oils get not digested. Basically, sorry, forgot the word, but